Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Software Engineering Class 2. We will present how to make a student attendance application.
Hello everyone, my name is Pugu Januari. This time we will discuss a web-based to student attendance application that makes it easy for students to attend online. So now we are accompanied by the application maker who made this application. Here is Nijarul, Bayu, Rizky, Cheryl, and Tiara. Now we are asked for the steps of making this attendance application. We asked Neng Cheryl, what were the first to make the application? Will after the flowchart, what are the next steps?
Make a group or flow. First, students enter the login menu and input their email and password. Second, check your email and password. If the email and password input is unsuccessful, it will be redirected to the login menu again. If the email and password input is successful, it will be directed to enter the login menu. Third, after the student is absent, they will update the attendance. Fourth, after the attendance notification from the admin. 5. After the students finish absent, students can log out.
That is the explanation of the first step of making the application. Now we will ask Tiara how the second step is to make online attendance web.
Step is to create a database and table. Starting for the name of the database, attendance consists of several tables. Namely, first in the user, there is value ID, email, password, and level. The level here consists of admin and student. Second, ID user detail table, there is a value ID and its name student, school, jenis kelamin for student, biodata. Third, in the attendance data, there is the value of absent ID, user ID, month ID, day ID, date ID, time in, time out.
Now maybe that's the explanation of the second step of making the application. Now we will ask Bayu how the third step is to make an online attendance web.
The third step is coding. The main thing is create, read, update, and delete. The first is create student data. Include for connection to database. If is set variable post, add underscore this text. Variable query equal connection query select from table user. Variable ID equal variable query numero +1. Variable email equal mysql real escape string. Variable connection and variable post. Password equal mysql real escape string connection and variable post for password. Variable name equal mysql real escape string connection variable post name, and the last is variable level. Variable SQL underscore user equal insert into table user, ID user, email user, password user, and the level users. Variable SQL detail equal insert into table detail id user and name underscore user and have a value, and variable check for connection query select from table user where table email user equal variable email numrow. If variable email equal variable password equals variable name equals, else if check equals 0, if statement equal connection prepare to a variable SQL underscore user, and statement 1 equal variable connection prepare variable SQL underscore detail. Variable statement bin param. If statement equal connection prepare variable SQL underscore user, and statement equal variable connection prepare SQL underscore detail. Variable statement bin param is ID, email, password, and level. Statement 1 bin param is only ID and a variable name. If statement execute and statement 1 execute to header location direct to add user, else header location root add to add user.php, else header location root add user.php 3. Variable connection close, else echo script window alert mistakes, window location back to home. The second is process edit student. Variable ID siswa equal MySQL real escape string, variable connection, and variable get from tab ID siswa. Variable SQL underscore sy equal select from table detail user natural left join table user where ID user equal ID siswa. If variable get underscore sy equal variable connection a query variable SQL sy page assoc 70 extract variable get sy, and variable jk equal array boy or girl. Variable jk v1 equal array l and b. Variable sum equal count. Variable jk underscore vl mean 1 for variable i equal 0. Variable i equal sum, variable i plus. If jk user equal double equal variable jk vl, variable check equal check else variable checks. Echo label class radio inline input type radio name ID JK value variable JK VL variable I dot check variable check variable JK label. The third is for read. Variable is underscore day equal date. The variable SQL equal select from table data absent natural left join tanggal where nama tanggal equal this day and ID user equal variable session ID. Variable you query today equal variable connection query variable SQL. If is set variable get AB, if variable get AB double equal 1. Echo div class alert warning strong this text absent berhasil. Else if variable get AB double equal to echo div class alert danger strong. Sorry absen gagal, silahkan coba kembali. Echo div class table responsive table strip read status keterangan absen masuk absen pulang. If query today rows double equal 0 status message disable in disable out. Else variable disable in equal disabled equal disabled. Variable get underscore day equal variable query underscore day fetch as such. Variable connection close. If variable get day jump underscore trailer warning status message disable out. Else variable status variable message variable disable out. Echo status image message button tip button class a button warning one click and this text absent masuk button type name button class button danger one click window location model process.php absent equal to or disable underscore out tr echo table and div. After that is delete include config.php for connection to database. If is set underscore get variable underscore get id variable id equal variable underscore get id. Variable check equal MySQL query connect variable connect select from table user where id sama equal id or die MySQL underscore error variable connection. If MySQL num rows variable checks 0 variable delete equal MySQL query a connection delete from table user where id equal variable id or die MySQL underscore error connection. If variable del echo script alert berhasil menghapus data. Redirect to document location index.php. Else echo script alert gagal menghapus data. Dokumen redirect location to index PHP. Else echo script alert ID tidak ditemukan di database. Dokumen location redirect to index page. Else echo script alert ID tidak ditemukan di database. Dokumen location redirects index to index.php.
Now maybe that is the explanation of the third step of making the application. Now we will ask Nizarul how the fourth step is making an online attendance web.
First, we have to log in as admin by entering email and password. Then, after successfully logging in, we will be directed to admin page. On the admin page, there will be 7 menus and 1 exit button, namely Add Students, Student List, Absent, See Absence, Notes, View Notes, and Change the Password. To add student, we select the student menu, then we need to fill in the data that will be needed as shown on the screen. If is click the save buttons and the data will add successful. To edit and delete student data, we select the student list menu. Then we can confirm and reject the attendance of students who enter and return. To see the details of attendance, we select the menu View Absence, and on this page, there are details of attendance. Notes and View, Notes and Almost, the same as the timesheets menu. And we can change password. The last menu, the admin can log out.
Now, maybe that is the explanation of the fourth step of making the application. Now we will ask Rizky how the last step is to make an online attendance web.
If for the student attendance display, the student will first log in first. There, the student will enter the email with the password. If successful, login will be directed to the attendance display. Then on the right there is a yellow button. This is for absent entry. And there is a red button for absent home. There is also a status which will have a red exclamation mark logo if successful and will have a green check mark logo if it fails. Then on the left there is a menu of my absence to find out his attendance history, and there is also a notes menu to see whether the absence we file in have been confirmed by the admin or not. Then if the absences is done, you can exit by clicking the exit menu on the bottom left. Already finished.
Well, those are the steps of making student attendance application at street vendors.